Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your home decor store business. Suppose you run a home decor store and many customers buy your products. Sometimes there are delays in delivery, so how can they get delivery update or track their product? Everything will be covered in this video. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build WhatsApp chatbot for your home decor business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. We will go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to buy some home decor. After typing, I'm getting a response, Hi, welcome to Cozy Furniture, your home for beautiful living. How can I help you today? Browse product, track my order. Now simply I am click on browse product. After clicking browse product, I am getting a response. Great. What category are you interested in? Furniture, wall art, lighting. I want lighting, so I am clicking on lighting. After clicking lighting, I am getting product details. Now I want night light, so just click on buy now button. After clicking buy now, I am getting a product details. Product light, price $35. Would you like to proceed with the purchase? Now click on yes. Enter full name, test user, address XYZ. Just to confirm name, test user, address XYZ, click the confirm order button to receive your order confirmation details. So you'll see I'm getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now, if you also want to create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Meta for developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. How to add WhatsApp number, folder, everything will be covered in the video. So go and watch the video. Now you seeing the navigation on the left side. In this we have inbox, contacts, team queue, templates, broadcast, flows, settings, get help. I already explained inbox section. In this section we checked the responses. Now we have contact fields. In this field we add a contact and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue option. Team queue is used to show the list of charts assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add template and fill the details over here and simply submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with a large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here, username, number, and just click on add broadcast. Now we have an option flows. Just click on flows, and we want to create our new chat flow. Just click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot home decor business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our chatbot. Now we enter our keyword like hello, hi, home, decor, buy, and so on. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format /b, open and close bracket, /b, and we separate the value by using vertical bar. Regex is also used to trigger the chatbot when user raises a query. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hi, welcome to Cozy Furniture, your home for beautiful living. How can I help you? Now I am adding the button, that is browse product and track my order. Now connect the flow. Now I am taking another text button and write some message on it. Great. What category are you interested in? Furniture, wall art, lighting. Now I am adding the buttons. furniture, wall art, lighting, and connect the browse product button to this message box. Now we take question box. In this we type a message. Please enter your order ID, example CN1234, and also select the contact custom field. In this we select ID. After selecting the ID, I'm just selecting text format. How you can create this contact custom field? Just click on settings and click on contact custom field. After clicking, you have an interface like this. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity, ID. If you also want to add contact custom field, just click on add more field and simply type here. I am typing XYZ and click on the save button. You will see we are successfully creating our contact custom field. Also enter a description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now connect track my order button to this question box. Now we take another text button and write some message over here. Order status confirmed out for delivery. We use $sign. Why we use $sign? When user enter his order ID, then he will get the details for their product. Now we take media button. In this media box, we upload the image which I already downloaded and enter the caption. In this, we also add buy now button. Now we add another content. In this, we also add image which I already downloaded. And now enter the caption bad. Also add buy now button. And now connect the furniture button to this message box. Now we take another media button for wall art. In this we also upload a media which I already downloaded. Now entering the caption, tree wall art. Now add buy now button. In this we also add media button and upload the image which I already downloaded. Now enter the caption, tree wall art. Also add buy now button and now save the flow. Now we also take another media button for lighting. In this we also upload media, uploading the media which I already downloaded. Now enter the caption, also add buy now button. Now we take another media button in which also upload image. And now enter the caption and add buy now button and save the flow. Now we take three text button and write some message on it. Product, furniture, price. Would you like to proceed with purchase? Now we also add yes button. Basically these three boxes contain similar message: product, price, availability. Now we connect buy now button to this message box. And this buy now button to this. And this buy now button to this box. Now we arranged our flow. Now we take question box in which we ask a question from user. Please enter your delivery details, full name. Now select the contact custom field, full name, and select the format, that is text format. Now connect these three boxes to this question box. Now we take another question box and write message on it. Address. Now select contact custom field, address, also select format, text form. Now we connect the flow. Now we add text button and write some message on it. Just to confirm, name, address. Now we also provide confirm order button. Now we take another message box and write a message on it. Choose your payment method, online payment, cash on delivery. Now we add buttons, online payment, cash on delivery. Now we take ask media box. In this we provide payment link. Click below to pay securely. This is payment link. Please share a screenshot after completing the payment. Now we select media type image and connect the online payment button to this media question box. After this we take another text button in which we write our final message. Thank you, your order has been placed. You will receive update by WhatsApp as we prepare and ship your decor item order ID. Now connect cash on delivery button to this message box and now save the flow. So you'll see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. We are back to WhatsApp dashboard. Now I am typing I want to buy some home decor. After typing, I am getting a response. Hi, welcome to Cozy Furniture, your home for beautiful living. How can I help you today? Browse product, track my order. Now I am simply click on browse product. After clicking browse product, I'm getting a response. Great. What category are you interested in? Furniture, wall art, lighting. I want lighting, so I'm clicking on lighting. After clicking lighting, I'm getting product details. Now I want night light, so just click on buy now button. After clicking buy now button, I'm getting response. Product light, price $35. Would you like to proceed with the purchase? Now I am click on yes. After clicking yes, I am getting response. Please enter your delivery details, full name, test user, address. I am typing address XYZ. Now we have another response. Just to confirm name, test user, address, XYZ, click the confirm order button to receive your order confirmation details. Now I am click on confirm order button. After clicking confirm order button, we have an option choose your payment method, online payment, cash on delivery. Now I am selecting online payment. Click below to pay securely. This is payment link. Now we have note also. Please share a screenshot after completing the payment. Now we share a screenshot. After sharing a screenshot, I'm getting our last message. Thank you, your order has been placed. You'll receive update via WhatsApp as we prepare and ship your decor item. Thank you, your order has been placed. You will receive update via WhatsApp as we prepare and ship your decor item. And this is order ID. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.